Today's lesson class is about using and maintaining hand tools. A tool is a handheld device that aids in accomplishing a task, operated without electricity or other power. Tools range from a traditional metal cutting part of a machine to an element of a computer program that activates and controls a particular function. Selecting proper tools for the job are important. Tools should be appropriate. The person must have the knowledge on how to use these tools. Follow instructions included in the manufacturer's manual. Environmental safety and health program requires the following. All tools must be kept in good condition with regular maintenance. The right tool must be used for the job. Each tool should be examined before use. Damaged or defective tools should not be used. Tools should be operated according to manufacturer's instructions. The right protective equipment for the tool and activity should be used.
Hardware tools are grouped into these four categories. Electrostatic discharge (ESD) tools, hand tools, cleaning tools, and not least we have diagnostic tools.
Electrostatic discharge (ESD) is the sudden flow of electricity between two electrically charged objects caused by contact, an electrical short. Produced when any part of the body was rubbed to an object.
Okay, class, the first tool under ESD tools we have anti-static wrist strap. It is used to prevent ESD damage to computer equipment. This is by neutralizing electricity buildup in our bodies. Electricity buildup is transferred directly to the ground, not to the electric components. Next class is anti-static mat. It is used to stand on or place hardware on to prevent static electricity from building up. Designed to help lessen the effects of an electrostatic discharge on an individual or static-sensitive component. It also assists in preventing explosions and fires and working with flammable material found in certain gases and liquids. Next class is hand tools. Is a device for performing work on a material or a physical system using the hands only. Hand tools can be manually used employing force or electrically powered using electrical current. Under hand tools class we have flathead screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten slotted screws. Next, Phillips head screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten crossed screws. Torx screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten screws that have a star-like depression on the top, a feature that is mainly found on laptops. Hex screwdriver. It is sometimes called a nut driver and is used to tighten nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens screws. Needle nose plier. It has long, slender jaws used for grasping small or thin objects. Next class is wire cutter. It is used to strip and cut wires. Tweezers. It is used to manipulate small parts. Part retriever. It is used to retrieve parts from locations that are too small for your hand to fit. The tool is mainly used to retrieve screws, although is also helpful in retrieving jammed bits in the motherboard. They mainly come in sizes ranging from about 4 to 9 inches. The outer shell is usually plastic, although higher-end retrievers can have metal casing and reinforced inner mate. Flash light. It is used to light up areas that you cannot see well. A portable, battery-operated device used for illumination. A typical unit consists of one or more dry cell batteries arranged in a line inside a battery compartment that forms the handle of the light. Lint-free cloth. It is used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. Is a special type of cleaning cloth that does not give up any fluff when used. Being free of lint means the cloth is less likely to build up a charge, which can cause ESD, damaging electronic equipment, like HD televisions, computer monitors and digital cameras. Under Cleaning Tools class, we have compressed air. It is used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. Is a combination of under-pressure gases that are squeezed into a can. With computers and electronics, compressed air is the preferred method for removing dust and dirt from sensitive electronics. Next class is cable ties. It is used to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer. Cable ties organize all kinds of cables, like those used with a computer, an entertainment system, or in a network. They are usually plastic, nylon, rubber, or Velcro strips used once or that are reusable. Next, parts organizer. It is used to hold screws, jumpers, fasteners, and other small parts and prevents them from getting mixed together. Multimeter. It is used to test the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components. You can use a multimeter to test how much current the peripherals are receiving. If either measurement is off by 1 volt or more, you have either a bad power supply or too many peripherals connected. Loopback adapter. It is used to test the functionality of computer ports. Proper use of anti-static wrist strap. First, connect the cable to the metal chassis of the computer. Second, wrap the strap around your wrist. Third, attach the other end of the strap to a common ground. Next step is lay the computer on the mat. Now let's discuss proper use of anti-static mat. First, connect the computer to the mat with the cable. Second, connect the mat to a reliable electrical ground with its cable. Now let's discuss proper use of hand tools. First, use the proper type and size of screwdriver by matching it to the screw. Second, do not over-tighten screws because the threads may become stripped or damaged. Next topic class is about tips and tricks. Keeping computers clean inside and out is a vital part of a maintenance program. Dirt can cause problems with the physical operation of fans, buttons, and other mechanical components. On electrical components, an excessive buildup of dust will act like an insulator and trap the heat. This insulation will impair the ability of heat sinks and cooling fans to keep components cool, causing chips and circuits to overheat and fail. Use a mild cleaning solution and lint-free cloth to clean computer cases, outside of monitor, LCD screen, CRT screen, and mouse. Use compressed air to clean heat sinks. Use isopropyl alcohol and lint-free swabs to clean RAM. Use a handheld vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to clean a keyboard. Caution: before cleaning any device, turn it off and unplug the device from the power source. I hope you have learned from our lesson for today's class. If there are questions, you may feel free to send a message on our group chat. Thanks, class, and have a nice day.